Orkney is a very special place to me. I started visiting 4 years ago and returned time and time again, most often in the winter. For me, the experience of huge cliff faces, waves crashing into them, whilst the birds swoop overhead, together with that fantastic light that you get in the winter on Orkney, it's unlike any other experience. Exposed to the full force of the Atlantic weather, Orkney continually delivers on dramatic landscapes. The Orkney Isles are completely unique in that they combine beautiful, quiet and dramatic landscapes with a rich and intriguing history. From the Italian chapel where the prisoners of war built the famous Churchill barriers, which now have sunken ships visible to the eye, to the ancient stones of Stennis and the Ring of Bodka. Each part of the island has a visible history. Stromness has a charm unlike any other town, with its narrow, winding cobbled streets and steep passageways which lead down to piers that overlook the waterfront and the harbour. Sitting and watching the ferries come and go is an experience you'll never forget. Orkney is the ideal sanctuary for creatives to enjoy time for their personal reflection and inspiration.